So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook contacts not showing up, syncing search and people fixes. So guys, if your contacts are missing in your Outlook, so not appearing in the people section, so you are not alone. Many of users having this issue. So guys, to fix this issue, first of all check the correct contact. Sometime Outlook is showing the wrong contact list, so you select the right one. For this you simply click on the this people account. After that guys, here you select the right folder from here. Okay, select the all contacts. Here is a contact list. Okay, then guys you enable show this folder as an email book. So guys, here you see turn off to view the contact folder in the previous version of the contact and new contact, so you just mark is on. Okay, select this and mark on. Okay, then guys you try to change the contact setting. Make sure in manage contacts, here you see the option of settings. First you go to the settings and select the right way to show the contacts. For this go settings, and guys here you see the option of display contact by first name or the surname. So please always select it to the first name, because surname are mostly common, so it creating the issues. So select it with the first name. Okay, then guys you try to refresh your application once. If you are using the desktop application, so you try to close once and again open. If you are using the web version, so you simply try to refresh it. Okay, and guys still having the issue, so guys you try to sync contact with your email. For this open your Outlook account, go to the account settings and select your account and click repair and the changes. Okay, so you try to do for making and syncing your account with the contacts. So these are the basic things that you can done. And guys still having the issue, so guys you try to create a new account and again sync your contacts. Still having the problem, so guys you try to import the contacts into your mail. For this first of all go to select. Okay, here you go to the option of here. Once you refresh it, here you go to manage contacts. Here you see the option of import and export, so you are clicking on the import. Here you upload your CSV file from your local computer and simply add your all contacts. So these are the things that you can done. At the end you update your Outlook. Older version maybe cause contact sync issue, so you simply open your application, update your application. So these are the minor fixes that you can done to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.